think about it. Take a very streetable looking car with a blown smoke, tiny 10.5-inch tires on the back. Supercharged small block running through the mufflers, and it's quiet enough where you can run it on a muffled event like that. Bobby Moran. All you do is gotta put some red lines on those tires and it'll be a Hot Wheels car. The car I would dream up and say I was 13 years old. That's what I want to drive on the street every day when I grow up. Speed of 164 miles an hour. The chute comes out 851, which is a good run for that car because they're set up to